In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check and adjust your browser settings to ensure a seamless experience, specifically focusing on cursor appearance, which is crucial for accessibility and usability in Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Let's dive right in and make sure your settings are perfectly tuned. First, we'll start by taking a look at Chrome's appearance settings. This step is crucial if you notice your cursor appearing white when it should be a different color, potentially disrupting your workflow. Open Google Chrome and type in the URL address bar chrome/settings appearance. This will take you directly to the appearance settings page. While you're here, make sure you're not forcing a white cursor through any accessibility settings. This might sound a bit technical, so let me break it down for you. In some cases, accessibility settings can override your default cursor color, making it appear white. This could be especially distracting if you're working with documents or spreadsheets, which often have a lot of white space. Go through the settings carefully and ensure everything is set to your preference. If you don't find anything unusual here, it's time to move on to the next step. Now, let's fine-tune the color of your system cursor. This is particularly relevant for users on Windows 10 or 11 who want a consistent look and feel across their applications. Start by opening your system settings. You can easily do this by clicking on the Start menu and typing Settings into the search bar. Once the Settings window is open, navigate to the Accessibility tab. Here, locate the option for mouse pointer and touch. Under this section, you will find various options to personalize your mouse pointer. What you want to do is focus on the mouse pointer style options. You'll typically see choices like white, black, or inverted, as well as the possibility to select a custom color. In our quest for clarity, choose either black or a custom color that stands out against a typical white document background. This little tweak can make a big difference in improving your document editing experience, making your cursor easy to locate at all times. With those settings adjusted, there's just one last thing to do: restart Google Docs or any application where you are experiencing cursor issues. This step ensures that all changes are applied successfully, giving you a fresh start with your new settings. Just close Google Docs completely and reopen it. Now test out your new cursor color. You should notice a significant improvement in visibility and comfort while working on your documents. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can ensure your cursor is easily visible, making your online and offline work more efficient and less time-consuming. With these adjustments, your browser and system settings are now perfectly optimized for a pleasant user experience. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.